Experimental investigation of Norel polymer matrix composite material using in wear reductions in gears. In wear reduction analysis, Norel polymer matrix composite material mixed in the ratio of 70:30 presented in this paper. In recent trends of advanced in gears, the automobile industries have been inclinations in developing the composite material for the high quality and durability. Less replacement and low cost. Several attempts have been made the varying of composition of polymer matrix and the cost, durability and ruggedness. Few researchers have been landed up in nylon 6 polymer matrix composite material ratio 80:20 increase the tensile strength material and wear resistance. However, in wear is still challenging issues. The present study focus on developing the 70:30 Norel polymer matrix composites and analysis effect of various input parameters, namely processing the temperatures and weight percentage, reinforcement and hardness, flexural and tensile strength, morphology materials done with the same test. It has been observed the experimentations that mechanical properties of the nylon composites significantly increased by weight percentage of glass fibers 70%, Norel fibers 30% of composites show the highest elastics model. The yield strength and significantly improved the tensile strength. The experimental results confirm excellent wear reduction in the material that envisages for a better product life and maintenance. So, Nisa, the introduction of gears. A recent automobile filled the designs of gears using in the wear reduction analysis has gained significant importance in developing the robust gears against the environment problem and fatigue life crucial component under the different load variations. The gear remains in some major applications of an engineering maintenance point of view that has been spectrum of applications such as automotive, aerospace, mining, irrespective of noise and vibration. Reliability and early detections gear damages. This noise will be considered for using the composites material. The polymer composites gear find itself promising because of low material manufacturing cost and minimum part weight when compared with the metal gears. However, the polymer material endures the mechanical powers as thermal resistance compared to the metals. Recent trend in advanced gear the focus in reinforcement. Polymers offer mechanical strength and thermal resistance, which were appropriate low structures bearing applications. Polymer composites has a high level stiffness strength ratios. In recent times, glass fibers and carbon fibers are widely used in the reinforced material to enhance the strength of polymer based composites, but it's still the challenging the wear issues arising. So often the results show that modulus, the strength, hardness, PA6 and PPS composites are improved through the braking elongations. The weight impact decreases. The result shows the frictions of PA6s and PPS-CF composites lower than that the PA6 PPS blended wear rate of PA6 PPS-CF composite strengths, increasing with the increase in the content of carbon fiber, but wear resistance of PA6 and PPS-CF behave the better under high load and high speed conditions. The material selections and manufacturing process, the prime integration of polymer composite materials, nylon 6 fibers, which tough possessing high strength as elastic luster nylon 6 fibers, wrinkle proof, highly resistance absorption in chemicals such as acids, alkalis. In addition, the fiber can absorb 2.4% of water, although the lower tensile strength. The glass transition temperature of nylon 6 is 47 degrees Celsius. The next integrant of the glass fibers are thermal insulator because they are high ratio surface area weight. However, increasing the surface max, they are much more susceptible to chemical attack with the thermal conductivity order of 0.05 of W by Mk by trapping the air with them. The blacks of glass fibers make good thermal insulations. The E-class, which is aluminum borosilicate glass with less than 1% of alkali oxide, the mainly used for the glass reinforced plastics because high tensile stress Addition of glass fiber improved beyond bending the load carrying capacities on both symmetric and asymmetric gears. These are the experimental analysis. There's a compare with this analysis with this is standard table. The Young modulus, tensile strength, elongations, compressive strength is standard strength is very low compared with the prototype result of specimens. As shown in these figures, a result is shown in this graph. It is higher than normal mechanical properties of polymer composite properties. It is conducted. The test is conducted for the specimen. Each specimen have different variations of reading shown. Finally, we concluded better result than making for gear.